Imagine getting your hands on the power of a top-tier phone without the hefty price tag. Apple has just unveiled the iPhone 17e, and it's causing a major buzz in the tech world. This device is a successor to the 16e, and it's packed with features that many have been asking for. On the surface, it may look similar to its predecessor, but what's under the hood is a whole new ballgame. If you're debating whether to save your cash or opt for the more expensive iPhone 17, you've come to the right place. We put this phone to the test to see if it's really worth the hype or just a revamped iPhone 14 with a new label. The iPhone 17 keeps the design close to the iPhone 14, a strategy Apple uses to keep costs down. However, there's a fresh twist this year with the addition of a new light pink color option, joining the classic white, with a silver frame and a traditional black model. It's slim, lightweight, and comfortable in the hand, not as tiny as the iPhone mini or SE, but perfectly sized for most users. As expected, it comes with IP68 water resistance, meaning it can survive being submerged up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The biggest upgrade, though, is the glass. Apple has introduced Ceramic Shield 2 on the 17e, the same material found on the iPhone 17 Pro. It's far more resistant to drops and scratches, as we've seen in our extensive testing. When you turn on the screen, you're greeted by a 6.1-inch OLED display. While it still has a notch and a 60 Hz refresh rate, not as smooth as the Pro models, the display is bright enough for daily tasks, with a peak brightness of 1,200 nits for HDR content. Now, let's talk about the real surprise, the battery. Despite being a budget model, the 17e actually boasts a larger battery than the standard iPhone 17. In our real-world tests, the 17e outperforms the 17, with battery life of 45 hours versus the standard 17's 41 hours. That means you can go longer without needing to charge, making it perfect for those who hate lugging chargers around. Charging is done through USB-C at 20W, but the big winner here is the addition of MagSafe. Now you can charge wirelessly at 15 watts and use all your favorite magnetic accessories. This was a feature missing from the 16e, so it's a welcome upgrade for everyday usability. Under the hood, Apple didn't skimp out. The 17e comes powered by the A19 chip, nearly identical to the one in the iPhone 17, with only one less GPU core. However, the CPU performance is on par with the pricier models. In benchmark tests like Geekbench 6, the 17e holds its ground against the most expensive phones out there. It also comes with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance across apps and tasks. In my opinion, the iPhone 17e is a fantastic device, but it finds itself in an interesting position. At its launch price of $699, it's a great deal, especially with a 256 GB storage and MagSafe. However, if you can snag the standard iPhone 17 on sale, it often feels like a more complete package. The 17e truly becomes a must-buy when its price drops to around $600. At that point, nothing on the market can compete with its power, battery life, and longevity. It's the perfect phone for anyone who wants the Apple experience and years of software updates without shelling out $1,000. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon for more updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.